Hey, welcome to this video. You arrived here, you're probably searching for a view of Motley Fool Stock Advisor. So I'll go over how it works and give you my 2 cents, whether I think it's a good use of your time. I'm always coming up with videos like this, so consider subscribing. And if you like my free trading, the number one, simplest, fastest way to earn a full-time income from home, all you have to do is click that link below. You'll see my email opt-in page. Enter your best email. I could send you my free trading if you want. Motley Fool Stock Advisor, let's dive in. So what this is basically, it's another one of those investing newsletters. And they need no introduction really. I mean, Motley Fool is one of the most well-known brands in the investing world. I'd heard of them even before I really got into investing. And Stock Advisor is their flagship product. Now they have over 1 million subscribers, and you could see from this chart they beat the market by 300%, around 300% for the past 20 years. Which is pretty impressive. They have a 3.8 star rating on Stock Gumshoe, which is like the trust pilot of investing newsletters. Anything above a 3 is usually worth checking out. And their strategy of investing is ideal for most people, I think. Essentially, they'll tell you to pick 25 of their stock recommendations and hold on to them for at least 3 to 5 years. So it's not day trading. It's like the opposite of that, which is good. And as long as you don't panic and sell when there's a dip, you'll almost guaranteed to make money in the long term, right? As long as you can hold on to it. They also explain things in very plain and simple terms, which I appreciate. So the average person can understand what they're even talking about without having to spend hours researching. So if you're someone who's busy, like most of us, you have a career and family, and maybe you work out, you have hobbies and interests, and you don't have a lot of time to look at the stock market, this is perfect for you. Just follow the recommendations. They've been proven to work. It's very simple. It's a great newsletter. So if you're someone who's more advanced, though, when it comes to investing, and you don't mind treating it like a part-time job, then you might want something more advanced. That's all I would say. Because some of these recommendations might be kind of obvious to you, what they're recommending. But it's great. Now, as far as the price, normally it's $199 per year, but they do promotions where you can get it for $99 apparently per year. So I would just Google. I'm sure you could find that quite easily. And with your purchase, you'd be getting a whole bunch of goodies. So first of all, you get what's called Best Buys Now. So this is their portfolio of hundreds of stocks split up into different categories. You'll be given stock performance, a link to the article that recommends the stocks, recent news and analysis, growth stats, assets, valuation, financial health, just everything. Also, special reports. These are where they offer a new stock recommendation, typically 2 new ones per month, twice per month. You'll get an overview of the company, what the company does, what the stock advisor what stock advisor likes about the company, what stock advisors is watching out for, etc. And also you get full. This is really cool. This is probably my favorite feature. You get a full stock advisor performance database. So what that is in plain English, you get a database of all their old stocks that they recommended, and you get to see how they performed over the years. So they're very transparent, which a lot of newsletters will never reveal. They won't tell you. You have no clue how they perform. But with these guys, they're very transparent, which I like. For example, they recommended Amazon back in 2002, and a lot of us are kicking ourselves because we all know what happened with Amazon. They grew 14,000%. So if you had invested $10,000 back then, you'd have $1.4 billion today. Yeah, it's just crazy. 2005, they were hyping up. Not hyping up. It met the hype. They were recommending a computer chip company called Nvidia, and it got 9,000 returns since then. And there's tons of examples like this I can talk about. So that's the performance database. Also, with the newsletter, you also get access to their proprietary software. It's a stock screener, and what it does is it'll rank all your stocks give them ratings. So from high to positive to neutral to negative, basically. So very cool. Keeps it simple. Also access to a community, large community. Again, they have over 1 million subscribers. You get sell recommendations. So they'll tell you. So when they lose hope in a stock, they're not going to keep hyping you up. They'll say, okay, sell it now, and they'll let you know. And also a news and report section, which links to various articles. And that's basically it. So all in all, a very good newsletter. It's great. The only con I would say is they can be quite aggressive with their marketing, like a lot of these newsletters. So expect promotions in your inbox once you've subscribed. They'll try and upsell you. Some of their products cost in the thousands of dollars. But as long as you're okay with that, I'm sure they're very good products. And you have, you don't have to buy them if you don't want. You just need the willpower to say no. But again, just understand with the strategies that they teach, you need a long-term mindset. This isn't day trading where you're expecting to get huge returns overnight. But as long as you have that mindset where you're willing to buy and hold for 3 or 5 years or even more, then you can check it out. It gets my stamp of approval. And that's it. So, but I would not get into day trading anyway. That has like a 99% failure rate. But that's a whole video in itself. Anyway, look, you're here obviously because you're looking for a way to grow your wealth, maybe earn an income online, and maybe even be able to replace your full-time job. Well, if that's the case, I was in your position, 3 years ago. I tried all sorts of stuff. I tried blogging, freelancing, domain flipping, survey websites, crypto. You name it, I've tried it all. And none of the strategies I was implementing seemed to be working for me. It was just a very confusing, frustrating time. And after about 2 years, I was very fortunate, or maybe stubborn enough, that I eventually stumbled across some incredible information that taught me how to find a digital product someone else created, find a group of people who'd be interested in that product, and when I connect the two together, I earn a commission. It's called affiliate marketing. And the great thing about affiliate marketing is the profit margins are very high. You could be a solopreneur, one person on your laptop. There's tons of leverage and automation in place, so you don't have to be there all the time necessarily. And it's just a very simple, beginner-friendly business model. You don't need any special skills or credentials to get started. And you could sell things you're passionate about. So you could sell, for example, if you're into investing, you could sell an investing newsletter or an investing course that'll teach people, and that way you're not taking any risk yourself by investing. You're just teaching people how to invest, and it's much more profitable, and you could actually build a business out of that. Or if you don't want to get into investing, you could sell weight loss courses or dog training courses or lead generation courses or internet marketing courses. It doesn't really matter. Really anything you're interested in or you think you could get interested in is potentially a niche you could go into. And that's it. So because the thing is, so why am I talking about online business? Well, a lot of people, this is what they do. They kind of mess up the order of things. So they'll take whatever little money they have left over from their job after they paid all for their necessities, things you don't have a choice in. They'll take that whatever little money they have left over and they'll put it into investments. You don't want to do that because you're probably not saving that much anyway. Most people aren't, at least. So what we want to do is take whatever, maybe $100 a month left over, or $1,000, whatever the case. Put that in, maybe $10. Put that into an online business, and then once you're earning a good income from your online business, $5,000, $10,000 a month, or more, 20, 30. I mean, the sky's the limit. That's another great thing about having an online business. You can make way more money than you ever could from a day job. Take whatever's left over from that, put it into investments, whether that's crypto, real estate, gold and silver, stocks, and also hopefully your online business can replace your job, and you'll have more time to research these investment opportunities as well. So. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed. That's all. Oh, I should also mention, if you would like to build an online business, I still think affiliate marketing is the best business to build for the reasons I mentioned. What you could do is click that link below. You'll see my email opt-in page. Enter your best email. I can send you my free training that'll just explain everything if you want. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this review of Motley Fool Stock Advisor. Again, I can't say anything bad about it. So if you do have, you just need, just with any investing, understand you need some capital to begin with. It's not for people who are on their last dollar or living paycheck to paycheck and hoping to get rich overnight. That's not what this is for. But I mean, you could check it out if you want. But I recommend for most people to focus on building an online business to achieve financial freedom a lot quicker than having to wait 5, 10, 20 years for the stock market to rise. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this review. I hope to see you on the other side of that link, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.